Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is day 17 of learning English. Rain can wash out the pollution particles from the air. The concept, however, require rainfall at the right time and right place. This can possible only be achieved through artificial rain or cloud seeding, an enticing idea for Delhi government, which is struggle to find solutions to the air quality precious in the winter. While the idea was explored and shelved last year, Environment Minister Bhopal Rai has now proposed using man-made rain with the help of central government to counter pollution. Cloud seeding is a weather modifications, meanings that introduce chemical compounds in the air to collect and moisture moisture particles into rain. Scientists from IIT Kanpur have successfully conducted an artificial rain experiment last year. Say that a cloud cell can be created over a wide expand within a day if weather conditions such as winds and moisture content are favorable. They estimate that creative a cloud cell over the 1 kilometer area will cost around rupees 1 lakh. Cloud seeding can be done over 100 kilometer. Rainfall will, however, depend on meteorological conditions such as a air having at least a 50% moisture content, said Professor Mahendra Agarwal, IIT Kanpur. If and a requisite conditions are met, the clouds will act like natural cloud cells and move with the winds. During the Beijing Olympics, China used clouds shading to fight pollution. Longer, of course, because they have explored other way to control pollutions. In the Middle East, cloud shading regularly done for greening project. Agarwal said that cloud shaded rain, like natural rain, should claim the air and improve air quality, perhaps even for a week. However, the population's level may increase sooner depending on the scale of emissions. Agarwal adding that in 2023 IIT Kanpur and Delhi government were ready to try artificial rain, but we thunder by unfavorable meteorological conditions. Experts area of the method thought with one risk being the lack of guarantee that the specific targeted area should receive rain. Experts at IIT Delhi were saying Delhi population's problem needed more